Why did I need a roof replacement in the first place? Well, I came home one day after a hailstorm and I went to my back patio in the backyard and there was over 100 broken light bulbs. So I grabbed the broom and was cleaning things up, and I was curious where all the sand had come from. There was this dark black sand everywhere. And as I examined a little further, I realized it wasn't sand at all, it was debris from my roof. And that's how I came across Anchor Roofing and decided to give Jeremiah a call. For me, what was really important was the approach that Anchor has. I travel a lot, I'm not always home. I've got family with 4 kids and my wife, and I don't want random people coming in and out of the house and not knowing who they are. And the one thing that really stood out to me was that we weren't going to get turned over to a bunch of different random people all the time. We were going to have one constant contact, some person to manage the entire process and to help us not just get our roof fixed, but to interact with our insurance adjuster, to help my wife manage the questions that she have, and to make sure that I feel that my family's safe if I'm not going to be around. So those reasons alone make working with Anchor an absolute dream come true, because you're dealing with an individual who leads you through the process from start to end. If one of my friends and a homeowner asked me about my thoughts working with Anchor, what I would say to them is, first of all, they're tried and true because we've used them. But I'd tell them, number one, your worry factor is 0. And you're gonna get a quality product. You're gonna have it done safely. It's gonna be clean. You're gonna be happy with that, but your worries are gonna be gone. And I think a lot of times we don't really know what we're looking for in a roof or in that product. So working with Anchor is like the worry-free, take out the problems, make things happen, and it's really almost like you've got like a partner beside you in that process rather than trying to figure everything out on your own.